Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life's pace? As a nurse, they tend to live in constant motion. During the pandemic, slowing down seemed impossible. But most learn an essential lesson. Calm moments won't find you. You must create them. This realization emerges naturally. By giving yourself permission to breathe, you discover rituals that ground you. Baking sourdough bread, nurturing your garden, and getting lost in a good book then become sources of peace. Sourdough is more than just bread. It embodies time, care, and patience. Watching the dough grow and come to life brings joy. It started as a way to find stability. The act of mixing and baking empowers the need to slow down and be present. In a small garden, dirt under your nails, you find happiness. A large space is not needed. Just a few pots filled with herbs and tomatoes prove life goes on. Gardening teaches me to trust the process. Some things flourish while others don't. But the effort is what matters. Reading turns into a lost passion. With life's busyness, many push it aside. Now, a few pages before bed or on weekends keep most grounded. Books spark curiosity and serve as a reminder of the world's vastness. If life feels too full or fast, you are not alone. We've all been there and know the feeling well. But even during chaos, create space for stillness. Start small. Water a plant, bake something, or read a poem. Let self-care be a series of moments rather than a grand event.